Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Google Play Store country. So first of all, we're going to open up the Google Play Store. You can just search in Play Store or just open it here where you have it located, and yeah. So first of all, what you need to do is click on your profile icon or profile picture. It's usually at the top right corner, as you see. By me it's like a little green one, except like L letter, as you see. Excuse me, but you see L purple letter, you should click on it. It's your usual first name letter. So if it's marked, it will be M and some color. So click it at the top right corner. It's usually here. Then just click on it. Then if you want to change your country, click on settings. Then click on general. Then click on account and device preferences. And then what you need to do, it'll show you your Gmail, emails from Google Play. You can turn it on, and it's going to show you countries and profiles, add debit or credit card, add billing. And yeah, and here you can click on switch the address where you get information about country and profiles. Here you can change your country if you want to, and yeah, that's kind of it. I hope this video has helped you. Have a great day.